I think you got up early. I think you got up early. मुझे लगता है आप जल्दी उठे. What did you tell him? तुमने इसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What are you saying? आप क्या कह रहे हैं? What are you saying? What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? The phone got disconnected in the middle. फोन बीच में कट किया था. The phone got disconnected in the middle. I never apologized even to my father. माफ़ी तो मैंने अपने बाप से भी नहीं मांगी. I never apologized even to my father. Stay away from him. इससे दूर रहो. Stay away from him. Who is the owner of this shop? इस दुकान का मालिक कौन है? Who is the owner of this shop? My back hurts while bowing. झुकने से मेरी कमर दर्द करती है. My back hurts while bowing. Are you sure you don't want to come? क्या यकीनन आप आना नहीं चाहते हैं? Are you sure you don't want to come? Have you come alone or with someone? क्या आप अकेले आए हैं या किसी के साथ? Have you come alone or with someone? Put in the charger. चार्जर लगा दो. Put in the charger. Unplug the charger. चार्जर निकाल दो. Unplug the charger. He is our neighbor. वह हमारा पड़ोसी है. He is our neighbor. Don't twist my hand. मेरा हाथ मत मरोड़ो. Don't twist my hand. Have you forgotten? क्या आपसे भूल गया है? Have you forgotten? Have you ever traveled by aeroplane? क्या आपने कभी हवाई जहाज़ में सफ़र किया है? Have you ever traveled by aeroplane? Who are you and what are you doing here? तुम कौन हो और यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Who are you and what are you doing here? Do you know where my mobile phone is? क्या आपको पता है मेरा मोबाइल कहाँ है? Do you know where my mobile phone is? I want to know what he has done. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि इसने क्या किया है. I want to know that what he has done. You were laughing at me, weren't you? तुम मुझ पर हंस रहे थे ना? You were laughing at me, weren't you? Could you please make me talk to him? क्या आप इसे मेरी बात करा सकते हो? Could you please make me talk to him? If Amjad finds out what he will say. If Amjad finds out what will he say? अगर अमजद को पता चल गया तो वो क्या कहेगा? She had neither breakfast nor lunch. इसने न नाश्ता किया है न लंच किया है. She had neither breakfast nor lunch. This secret should remain between us. ये राज हमारे ही बीच में रहना चाहिए. This secret should remain between us. Have you finished your work? क्या तुमने अपना काम ख़त्म कर लिया है? Have you finished your work? You should have thought about it earlier. आपको पहले ही इस बारे में सोचना चाहिए था. You should have thought about it earlier. You go, but don't come weeping later. तुम जाओ लेकिन बाद में रोते हुए मत आना. He sold his old mobile to his friend. इसने अपना पुराना मोबाइल अपने दोस्तों पर या अपने दोस्त को बेच दिया. तो प्यारे शागिर्दों, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि ये जुमले खूब अच्छी तरह आपके ज़हन में बैठ जाए और आप इनको सीख लें, तो आप एक कापी ले लें और ये जुमले उस कापी पर लिख लें. ये अपने ज़हन में बिठाने का ज़बरदस्त तरीका है. थैंक यू.